so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. I don't know how, but it gets so hard to breathe when you're not here with me.
Yo, Charlie Radio so I tasty. If you say me take Abena Costi, our Ahenkan FM 93.3. We day be easy.
Yeah. T. On him I travel nasi. Jiwini ma bibi an how. Mene me to drase. Shampa buana bui bi an cow. Jai super pawini ase. Emma bi asi again dream foul. Branda beja me kwan na wanka sama crowd abena ma dwen ho ache ni abope ne masade minimum cry wo se mesua ye ka asem de bi gu masum e wo bi enya nkope abena mponsa tuntum bro ne ahofe sem hu ne die pi kwa obeti abrent jai sum pepa weni mu de so na me yem fom so kra kan hu se boda me gwa ma odo so makoma ni ente wo papai mu fa me se bonsani fa so matena via si ache me tan hu odo
me de opepa ne akuma pa na di do. But my wedding, you know, me no people from Kahungo, so me bofi say what the world. And the other guy say, me on sensem, I told there be a baby abem, me don't say I'm moving tete and them. We saw the buy a dinner.
Exclusive to Jumbies.com.
Yeah, you are always on my mind.
Have a blessed day.
You are always
the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
And TNT Profano, I would only be good on the diamond. Never walk of fra, actually didn't cheer while diner. I was in a jowl. It's a son of Mumu and Crana. We need me for seeing me. Yadon Yanton China. Yadia Mijao, Major Joe Kokosuko Jaws of Brandy. I'm Rami who were and I become a team, Yadia Penny. I dreamed you go to Swaboko, Fabigumi Quenchi. Yabo Cheda Meshawaka one and send me saying a Tessie. Mendy Yao, and I mean who would the Swana made Tete. For when you took for me down, we need Bejibi and I may say, oh, your Hema, Sada, Wahabi will be Chiaman sign. I've been on a brema, send me a cocos of breman quine.
Exclusive to Jumbies.com.
But my wedding, you know, me no people from Kahungo, so me bofi say what the world. And the other guy say, me on sensem, I told there be a baby abem, me don't say I'm moving tete and them. So the buy a dinner come. Yeah, you are always
the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costi.
I'm feeling lonely.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Yo, Charlie Radio so I tasty. If you say me take Abena Costi, our Ahenkan FM 93.3. Peace.
I keep thinking
I'm acting I need to hear from you. I'm feeling lonely. Me nyaya anga who me try tonight. Baby, anga me ma wa feeling right. Me nya umbe me ma wa ya nice. Me ma wa ya.
Sometimes I
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
and yet when I'm in it, I swear there's a devil in me. I pray to God, my Father in heaven. What's in me now? Please reply this question.
The mid-morning
Fight in my soul. I'm not the same
Have a
person.
blessed
2012 is over. I hope I learned my lessons. Me never cry them out, say take it over. If I'm far away, just draw me closer. Me to me, giants I know me make me sober. Soon when I'm in your bread, draw me out Jehovah. I hate what I do, but be pushing me. Mom ya hodin I want some you so me. Watching me she fear sentin ya me set me free. My men can abuse. There's a devil in me.
Letting it go, letting it be. Set it all down, setting it free, yeah. I'm setting it free, yeah. Oh, letting it go, letting it be. Set it all down, setting it free, yeah. I'm setting it free, yeah. Something inside me is keeping me away from you. It's the devil inside me, and I'm letting it go. Oh, something inside me is keeping me away from you. It's the devil inside me, and I'm letting it go. Oh,
Yeah. Me now for 4 I would train me call casino. Mama swallow coke in kilos. Mama tell me sitting I yet thought. Now me a mempe me once and between feature me jot. I dedicate my heart, my body, my soul. I dare be see me shira crying, I'm letting go. In my penty they be me but to me the do. Member school fees mintia so that me a show. I'm sick and tired, I wanna change to something else. Something better. I'm tired of chasing groupie girls. Yeah, pissy cab was or women jam it tight. Then so once a week, man talk around in your Gucci belt. That's what I do, but we be pushing me.
Have a blessed
Mommy,
day.
I'm one day and I want some who use me. Watching me, I should fear since me set me free. Mommy, can it be? There's a devil in me.
letting it go,
Let it go.
letting it be. Set it all down, setting it free.
I pray that you take control, God.
Setting it free.
In Jesus' name I pray.
Letting it go, letting it
God,
be.
empower me.
Set it all down, setting it free. Yeah.
Give me the strength
I'm setting it free. Yeah.
to live in your word.
Something inside me
God,
is keeping me away from you. It's the devil inside me, and I'm letting it go. Oh, something inside me
forgiveness,
is keeping me away
a new year,
from you.
a new life,
The devil inside
new everything.
and I'm letting it go.
Saturday classes, none into Nami Shadow, Yami Mommy, perfume, Jimmy, so now me bike it to me, chili silk color. San Jimmy Man is serious, out of silk color. We became close friends and the feeling grew stronger. I share me much, I couldn't keep it any longer. You see, it was so twa. Yana Tribbe, my boots, my yard, granny, busy, me pepem, their bonus. So I pray to God that I pass this test. Young girl, I let to flat me, so we need me chest. She born about class, crying, I may pursue me, Jimano. Last 50 pesos, find you good, you more, Metamano.
A man, yes, I would do with you one swore. One day, but I tell you, but then you swore. You can't tell them now, I said I could slow.
Mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Samatali, my girl, what that forsaking me? Eli, Samatali, my girl, what that forsaking me?
Yeah, see how time flies. And Jenny VJS as we had to say bye. Make a boys cool, a so called Motown mix, and all I got right now is epics. The band granny have been my grind, my buffy, I've been home and makes a son and sa. Trying to hang a gas a sweetie mama kiss. My name said betcha, but it wouldn't be forever, ever. Any 2 weeks, Nick, we are my first letter. Or so I fit all the times we used to be together. I'm always on their mind. What come I say my training school mother. Although way near strong chest. phone lager. Me no for real and there was no other. And from a nini do ya gata kama tum dada. Chill it is a Ricky Rose, I was a biggie boy lover. And man you see me about me, then hear me pillow. Oh mommy inch, send me my 5 kilos. Jay, man ya call mom and pick him round me by me troll. How this love story tends sorrow.
And man yes again I would do with you to one so. One day but I tell you about Daniel you swear. You got them now I said I could slow. Woke up just see baby the what you
after essence we
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
I say, me to my dream and I come and with your manifest. Somebody me sick at on us, one can name a lose bets. First semester ending, born I made since I grab it when your boy be in a car front. They be a normal club. From Cafe Maserati to Vienna Fox, no more trapping. While no fun touching the fish champagne over papi. Or see me some man when you see me to sell her. It create din and I know dancing for Vuzela.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
When you're the full friend and there's a Moscatel and see me.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
She make my head bleed. My mommy broken heart, they dry, can't sleep. Okay, I just wonder if I go feel love again. Cause my first love brought nothing but pain. Charlie, and then my body and my granny papa. Me who said my pna, happy girl and I said Jane.
Samatali, my girl, what that for sake? Samatali, my girl, what that for sake?
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Yep. What? Yep.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Yep.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Yep. What?
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
What?
Yo, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. It's a meeting Kwabena Kosti. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3. Okay, easy.
Yep.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Yep. What?
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Yo, Thursday morning, 36 minutes after 10, 93.3 FM. Hope you all doing good with the Thursday love vibes here on your frequency. And of course, we are seated, we are ever ready to give you all the groove you need to hear and listen on radio. That's right. So the Thursday, and this is, you know, the day sometimes almost all the presenters in Ghana calls this day Throwback Thursday, but we call this day Counselor's Color. Even the chop love, what's the day? Throwback Niati. Right, so we on your radio 93.3 FM. My name has always been a Jenny Me Champion Boating Cosmos. Call me Jibruz Money. Call me Kwabena Kosti. I brought the perfect gentleman. Shouts to Emmanuel Adwuma, DJ Shabo, Felix Esiedu, DJ Homework, Kobike. Right here on social media, folks. Join us live on Facebook, Ahenkan 93.3, on YouTube, on Instagram, and send us a text on 0594-841-044. 0594-841-044. Song in the background. Devil in my temple. Kaboom. Good morning. I said I can see and come over here. I'll do a video to Ahenkan 93.3 of Michiao. You're from Brad David, Apasco, Raouf, MP3, Stagger, Obama, Obatampa Jonathan, Ricardo Tanko, Tilapia, Buffalo Michael, Ganshos, Amos, Yai. I said the phone in the back of Salub the Gambia, Mr. Orbin. Rejoice if you have been. Good morning. Counselor's Column. And I don't pay. It's a exciting conversation though. But it will be our hobby. So Counselor will join us via our phones. And today, I tell you what, you would want to tune off. Stay tuned. 93.3 of music from Kaboom, from Pomerantier. Devil in my temple. Let's go.
The mid-morning show, Have a blessed day.
Yo, Adia Champia, Atuni Pania Casa Casa, Obiato 103 years, Winnie Kafa, Sisane best rapper, Jagman fan spit, Nanya laughter, cause you're plenty for be bring no more chat no fun. My sacrifice in my life, I'm a music send me wife, Obia better not men die, make sure I'm my number 5. I'm a Toa, make sure you know 1 minute or so, make sure Diane Swabasa, and won't be any one to me guy. No, near me back, and I got me a belly was a prior, but Joe, Obina, my and you Masha send no back. Kabunda beno baye toda yana bibi kase guma sum se aye me tutu mania me hu bia me busa se wan ya no sre
wife you now me nyaw pe kase me boa
I want sit to me go me ka Jesus na wa kira toda yana bibi se me go you get grow toda yana me hu nyani pe bia na to me ho toda yana bibi se me go you get grow sana ninga ya devil in my temple toda yana bibi me go you get grow sana ninga ya devil in my temple
Ghana folk can't say we are good. For home bomb and yes, our talent to know and who. Oh, there's a black robe. Start in the hood. Mommy, go ahead, get me change it your life for you. And then I will catch you, Yanko Pamemete. When you're blue, we are singing us to get paid by your mother. Oh, my channel goes on your bottom.
Stop the nonsense.
Same thing happened to your father. What's 40 to you? Me can't be bring into one.
Yo, time of life, mommy, Yanko passing my head.
Jimmy, Yanko Point, yes, you're killing movie. To you, my nest, see how you want to win. Okay, rock up on the wood chapel colors. My busted freestyle, cause of every corner.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Reciting Paya Butcher, Yanko Point, Trail, Dada Yanko Point, Sean Common, we crowd about for Ramos. So I'm a young record deal. Please don't let us down for Cherble Brown. You win it down, so no pound. Put down with Tinam, no, cause I'm gonna win your so down.
Baby, say me, God, you get drunk. Tell me, who you need to to me, Tadayana, baby, say me, God, you get drunk. Standing there, yeah, devil in my temple. Tadayana, baby, say me, God, you get drunk. Tadayana, me, who you need to me, Tadayana, baby, say me, God, you get drunk. Standing there, yeah, devil in my temple. Whoever you are, yeah, me sure don't give me life. Emma, me, and Yoki Kenyan, I yet don't lie. If you tell me where they're me, Ginny, Jesus Christ, or see me, so you know me for me to rise. Mini puppet promo coffee for baby. She's almost no more tea at the same time. Me family want to obey. I got print promise. Me say, me ready and one year time like a queen.
Meti mama wa hiti ya chumpia bukias.
I the bag, obiene wa me no air come.
Over regret it.
Nah, me regret it for what I did.
I pray, and you go benua na wubedi. Jimmy.
Tadayana, baby, say me God, you get drunk. Tadayana, me who yeni pejana to me ho. Tadayana, baby, say me God, you get drunk. Standing there, yeah, devil in my temple.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Tadayana, baby, say me God, you get drunk. Standing there, yeah, devil in my temple. Tadayana, baby, say me God, you get drunk. Tadayana, me who yeni pejana to me ho. Tadayana, baby, say me God, you get drunk. Standing there, yeah, devil in my temple. What?
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Bomb nigga, what? From Pomerantine.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Obiato 103 years, Winnie Kafa, Sisane me best rapper. Jagman fan spit, Nanya laughter, cause you're plenty for be bring no more chat no fun. My sacrifice in my life, I'm a music send me wife. Obia better not men die, make sure I'm my number 5. I'm a Toa, make sure you know 1 minute or so, make sure Diane Swabasa, and won't be any one to me guy. Na, near me back, and I got me a belly was a prior, but Joe, Obina, my and you Masha send no back, I say Kabunda beno baye. Toda yana bibi kase guma sum se aye. Me tutu mania, me hu bia, me busa se wan ya no sre.
Wife you now, me nyaw pe kase me boa.
I want sit to me go me ka Jesus na wa kira. Toda yana bibi say me God you get drunk. Toda yana me hu nyani pe bia na to me ho. Toda yana bibi say me God you get drunk. Standing there, yeah, devil in my temple. Toda yana bibi say me God you get drunk. Toda yana me hu nyani pe bia na to me ho. Toda yana bibi say me God you get drunk. Standing there, yeah, devil in my temple.
Ghana folk can't say we are good. For home bomb and yes, our talent to no enter who. There's a black robe. Start in the hood. Mommy, go ahead, get me change it your life for you. And then I will catch your Yanko Pamemete. When you're blue, we are singing us to get paid by your mother. Oh, my channel goes on your bottom.
Stop the nonsense.
Same thing happened to your father. What's 40? You make cannibal bread into one.
Yo, time of life, mama, Yanko passing my head.
Jimmy, Yanko Point, yes, you're killing Wumbi. What two you may nest? See, I can want no money. Okay, rock upon the wood chapel colors. My busted freestyle, cause of every corner. And for that, now I'm buffy. So, Mutare, when you put my memory sites in play, I'll watch a Yanko Point and share with that Yanko Point. Sean coming to the crowd, about for Ramos. So, I'm a young record deal. Please don't let us down. So, Cherry Brown, you win it down, so no pound. Put down with you, no man, cause I'm gonna win your so down.
Mid-morning show, hot and blazing day.
Whoever you are, yeah, make sure don't give me life. Emma, me and Yoki Kenyan, I yet don't lie. If you tell me where them, me Ginny, Jesus Christ. Or see me, so you know me for me to rise. Mini puppet promo coffee for baby. She's almost said on my D at the same time, manage. Me family want to obey. I got print promise. Me say, me ready and one year time like a queen.
Meti mama wa hiti action bia wo bias.
I the bag, obi any woman no air come.
Over regret it.
Nah, me regret it for what I did.
I pray, and you go benua na wo bedi. Jimmy.
Tadayana baby say me go just get drunk. Tadayana me who yani bedana to me wo. Tadayana baby say me go just get drunk. Standing there at the boy my tempo. Tadayana baby say me go just get drunk. Tadayana me who yani bedana to me wo. Tadayana baby say me go just get drunk.
Hot and blazing day.
Tadayana baby say me go just get drunk. Tadayana me who yani bedana to me wo. Tadayana baby say me go just get drunk.
The devil in my temple.
Tadayana baby say me go just get drunk.
What?
And this is my favorite kaboom.
What?
Yeah. Devil in my temple song released somewhere 2017.
What?
This is my favorite kaboom. I love this song. Trust me, I love this song.
What?
Alright, so 45 minutes after 10,
Yep.
93.3 mid-morning.
What?
Juma is what you're listening to right now.
Yep.
Now, Eastern Entrepreneur Awards is getting to its peak. Alright, so the grand finale comes off on the 6th of August 2022 at Methodist Conference or Akimodan. And there's going to be a lot of performances.
What?
From music to dance and awards presentation. So Prison Band and the Komavo and also Kotoku Culture Troupe
What?
will be performing. They'll be giving us an enormous performance. Alright. So red carpet start at 6:30 and main event 7:30.
What?
And just keep this in mind. Tickets will be sold at the gates. Yes.
What?
The main gates. And it's going for a cool 50 CDs for VIP, couples 25 CDs, 15 CDs for single. I beg your pardon. 15 CDs for single. And each winner goes home with a customized plug and a certificate. And also overall, outstanding winner goes home with a customized plug, cash, product certificates, and a billboard of advertisement for a month. Yeah, huge, man. For a month. For call these numbers for ticket reservation. 0549 915983 or 0558 649408. 0549 915983 or 055 85 9404. And a corporate fee will also be available for a cool 500 cities. It's a nice package for 5 people. Just cool as that.
What?
I told you I got Saudi hours now. Charlie. Eastern Entrepreneur Awards. Ebaso. And our main motive is to celebrate and award entrepreneurs. It's Pepper Charles Sadope Utia. The grand finale comes off on the 6th of August. Shannon Song. Nyanko Ponya Adwuma. 6th of August here and Eastern Entrepreneur Awards in Basso.
What? Yep.
Right, remember your daily dose of motivations. Now, when him say,
Yep. What?
Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, and I saw you say, Nano Pebia, yeah, the bro, right? So, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, watch more than Liberty Transport opposites. What's the brushes here now? What are they? No, my company are there. No, young chum within go a check come upon from my own pay up there. The ones were for come upon. Obania show within the go a check. Needs come on. And here we are, yeah. Shito company, bia, my miss Shito company. Blessed Rejoice Fashion. JDC Fashion, Mr. Bill Fashion, yeah, the any church will go chain and the come upon. Me patrol, I don't have the tea. You two must send for ye be. But open a papa and a bonso air for Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Okwa with t-shirts or show Diego check come upon the amount. Nice upon. Not yet the man of your man suits my preparation. I see. Watching Modern Liberty Transport. 0245276638. 0245276638. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. About sort out. So show now for BBA so come upon the money there. Alright, so let's go on to our daily dose of motivations. And I'll pay and come on a bit on a counselor's column. We are looking at battle for child custody. So we used to keep the child or children when divorce or separation occurs. So this is what we're looking at this morning with Counselor Edwin. It's a huge conversation. A threat. And meaning point said you wouldn't want to tune off. Stay tuned and I'm going to stay tuned and stay tuned and listen. So let's see. So we are looking at battle of child custody. Pacho Obia or New Obia wa or Peso Koja Colana na say or no crowd who are Colana che. Is he okay? And come with the animal. A bit dicey, but how we go do them? Yeah. So counselor is on standby on everything come away. Now you call your daily dose of motivation is so I don't pay. Lad Hamilton and the Troy was to make sure your worst enemy doesn't live between your own 2 ears. Make sure your worst enemy doesn't live between your own 2 ears. A tree monk, Rebecca said, will boo a be. What's the best time is a more than proverb. A bebupa. Also, make sure your worst enemy doesn't live between your own 2 ears. Making sure say one kasa wa tanfo on trana one kasa wasum yenu wemu bebu hweye na yewe no making sure they brofo hweye pa na wo tanfo want na wasum wei ni mienu mu bebu what you say no person what treasure say. Once a day, I am say we are our own enemies. Your own enemies. Young as I want time for a true. And near a sea training, I thought our own. I dare be a honoma. Wouldn't pass idea ukoye, a dober consortium. Idea ukoye, a didn't go a cerebro. But was soon way, be shame neck a country. Quiet. A bit pussy where drew baby. Ubaya de nevi. Na de mu guasia bro na afo de kosha bronsam enya bronsam no one kasa enimi na o ma ho kwan betena wasomie no wemu no ena pushu ama waye ne awakoye de mu guasia be until Lord Hamilton say make sure hweye pa na wo town for worst enemy am betena in between your own 2 ears one kasa wasomie no hwe na wo tanfo amet nemu etoda anamo bi wo hono ma de mfaso ebebre ya brabo e de dew ye de nije bebre ya brabo but yet sama ye ho kwan ama bia ba sha ya sum na de kro na kan kire yen say ade a ukoye ubefeli na nkofo asrew ade a ukoye enko ba bia nkofo benyaw ade a ukoye die wo de wankasa ka kire wo se be kwakosi usen enye obi na kansa a kire wo wankasa na wo hu di nkomo your instinct wankasa no hu di nkomo omuta wasum ye ni wentem ene ka kire wo se ade we ukoye ade dem guase be bro ade we ukoye emfa obi abasrew o ma ho kwan ma wo worst enemy abetina wankasa wasum ye no mu men ka se obi ene ekegu wasum de abi me se asem we ya la de hemetine kan we on ebebu I say make sure your worst enemy doesn't live between your own 2 ears. Yes. Enye sa ukofa shabo na shabo be ka kire say ade we emfa na amfa waka say na shabo kan yo ana say waka say shabo kra na mama nye emi man ka me ye there be dia wankasa wa adwen ni wutri e ka kire na ma wantimi anye sa ade no eno na kire say wo ma ho kwan ama wankasa wo enemies your own worst enemies abetra wasum ye no mu sometimes ya drink to me catch and say ade emfa a lot of people are living in fears a lot of people are living in fears pa be catch ebi mu dream am one others are too ambitious to the point that Charlie or catch and I say or straw nyani so ade hu e o paper so ama wa wo be hu say na dream do but esuro ashani trimu ma osuro say ade de so pa o na me fia we na me kwaya ade we na me fia we onya fia o betumi aye chino your daily dose of motivation and pay lad Hamilton. Also, make sure your worst enemy doesn't live between your own 2 ears. Me pacho, fetu ana mo ano pay. Ebe boao. Pa. Na yanko pensu onungu ya wache nusu. Ya pensu ano de ya. Standard mineral water. Standard mineral water. Ejuma ni town. Me pacho, kopebi na ton enfa so woso. Bebre. Oton 30 pesos scrap benya faso bebre also what you say oton bag what benya faso bag usika ne boafo esansa ya papa na nkofo so agya tunti ya tonentem on ton emboka standard mineral water u program no me ba se na wan sebe me standard na ma me san nkofo de bia me ko ka kire nkofo so program na anya guy anya fe say na mambo woju me hwe camera no mu na me hu say na mambo woju adana na me jide standard mineral water ayenzo papa be part of box purchase for 0547334385 and that's 0245666274 0547334385 0245666274 standard mineral water me feel Seawash engine oil papa Draba fonyi na aji atumu se ye car ni engine embreki wa kwan so ye car no ye koto engine nche esam se problem kwa he engine oil na wo sesa na wo yusu boka no ene na ma wo car ni engine aye basasa no gunshots the car no trima twitwi de mu ti se oluma bia ono wanya match bia fa cup bia opera chire twitwi de mu sa yusu oil papa fegu engine mu na ankotwetwe ni mu Seawash engine oil copper 15W40 and say 20W50 motor for abobo ya pragya for so and use Seawash special 40 obetima free 0244577559 0244577559 na 0240800007 0240800007 Seawash engine oil quality engine oil for your motors and car engines. Now, for last one, Chimna, Yanko breaking, bra. Yakoba, Councillor Edwin is on standby. I'm saying, come on, baby, battle for child custody. Who is to keep the child or children when divorce or separation occurs? Because Nigeria for because of divorce. So when divorce or separation occurs, who is to keep the kids? Is it the mom or the dad? Is it obi or financially stable? And I say obi again. I mean between the parents, mom and dad, no. Who is to keep the kid? This is what we will be discussing here on Counselor's Column. But you can send in your messages ahead of time on 0594-841-044. 0594-841-044. Send in your messages ahead of time. Making kind of my counselor and so bar. Now also abeshare from the counselor's point of view. We are not counselors, but okay, me, I'm practicing to be a counselor because see, I mean, my case is very rare. You're prepared. O person Ahenkan FM 4 edidwa. I keep saying Ahenkan FM 4. O person Ahenkan FM oni yen edidwa. O person oni yen edidwa me patcho number be friend 0244 290093. 0244 290093. O person Ahenkan FM didwa. Person oni yen edidwa. Abozege me kebi charge. Abozege and I me go program bi. Mami bi di machina abozege mami no dia Ahenkan kra na buy grand cafe friends amasa station media ya dia credit adi abozege o say omoje so zegere wa iti o kan abozege no ajo so zegere wa kan bi abozege ntina be abozege zegere abozege that's mami no dia Ahenkan cry and dia cry be society mami me wona station and media me pa top so ni edija 0244290093 and up pay try your home brasses here real quick your cover 93.3 FM Shabo is ready Kobike is ready homework is also ready counselor is on standby your boss is here
Pajo, would the ben no ye de kuya woni mu pa na mpese oboa me. Binia me manum se de kuya no wafa to ohun so. Ba kwa do brufu na ba ko so do beans ne watermelon. Ade wado brufu no emwa bi wewe na hahan ni ntia ma na so ayehye.
Oba enkasa kra. Fasem ni si hwa. Bon Agro Company Limited. Ghana hawana wajidi wa agrochemicals mu. Okofa nuro bia baba ko efe na we. Obi abedo brofo no kai se. Emo bi ote se esa. Ya from follow me worms no. Ebi betimi abem. Endidi ka kope away. Edre efe na we no. Wo display so a follow me worms. Asem bi o mo ha brofo no. Ebi timi si wa fon mu da. So obi ado watermelon na say beans. No opedu ade be spray so ma asopo so pa. Ya fa the knockout. Wo betimi ayusu nre nyina bom. Betimi ayusu away ne knockout ni nyina na say bura bebuo no wutimi say beans abati beans sa watermelon so baba kese mu wani age say okwani bia peso odoburofuo ana say beans ana watermelon wodi ka kope away and knockout bi e wo ba bia ya to agrochemicals na ni gisem ne say eyema koko ni cashew papa if you say no etimi akate ni ate ana mo bia ya sai cashew ani koko enti koko akuafo cashew akuafo mo amodoburo mo amodo watermelon ni beans Bon Agro Company Limited wabedomo pa dikape nre nyina bi asan wadofo no so peso bisa semi fasa nre ho a 0243 900 562 0243 900 562
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehuna ma to so fefefe sei
Classic ointment se de sie nam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mre ko pa bie de se ekro na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ
ointment ne powerful pa
hwe ingredients ya wode ye Classic ointment no ebi ni aloe vera papaya petroleum jelly cassia alata honam na ni ba bia ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no eno ane se anopa ne nwumre bia wadware wie no wode Classic ointment no bi ebesere mu na be hu se yes ointment papa bi o ba bi
me the Classic ointment esiesie me ho ama age me se enye nanso pharmacies chemical ne herbal shops
ane titru wohene na herbal koforidua frisia ba ko Sans Kumasi Adum Urepash Heba Okaishi Accra Netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833
FDA agi ejwedi nkratu yato
Say ye kase Dominion herbal powder ema immune system and then kwabo wo nipadua mu ne yeden na ne senti wotadi yare sun kunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o
adron de fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya yese me se
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse enti na be kanfo ne aye ewo me nipadua mu no eburo madwen ene mente ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enuanse wanya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo ase bia gumu wo twa nseti anum wawie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo abata omo manufo ene nkwada woni fiedum yenu de wonka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum
Baya.
Yes, Kwame.
Me say, I know big man capsules are what the man. My boy, you man passwama. Me yira come for me say.
Big man capsules, no. What do you do with 3 points one parcel?
And ya grow ya.
Send me catch you. Big man capsules, dear, a year do pa. A ye memma who you may ye titru. And a bema why ye mirror one parcel. Bear man whom come was and in yenny ya. Nakai say do pay a ye fine care limited. Omudik bedema garlic mixture. Any big man capsules. A big gaso. Nakai say bedema garlic mixture no ye do po. A drono stroke ya dear. Diabetes, pressure. Obi a mo gentleman in more free sunny ye. The way it treaty. Near when ya come ya dear. Near the Boshino, yen it's Moshino. And near was so person a suit here. Bedema garlic mixture no best sunny and when na man. Bedema garlic mixture. Aye the only mixture. Prakasa wom. Ubenya Roy Biato. Our pharmacies, drugstore, any herbal shops in Yina.
Achim Oda Ubenya Bio, Oda Pharmacy, Nanachumesi Drugstore, Kenop Pharmacy, Ofaya Drugstore, Amorpho Drugstore, Walgreen Pharmacy. Achim Swedro, Nanachumesi Herbal Shop.
To phone fresh 0248 288 788. With the garlic mixture, any big man capsules, Edu Panunie.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow any offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pedian Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinti. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk kanshi, and you are may move bia your toe in row. At to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbus Haba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na di fia e hwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 and ama efia ehwe hwamsano.
Eno so ye supra na.
Eye JA Binding and Call Limited. And one with the san yoma we nyina bedwa so. Enye no kwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Panzo ne nanse nkwada enyoma ni ate se wan. Eye parazo enu na me disie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina firo. Na dia ba de na ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha noa na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Binding Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won se uhu ana ai enu anso na me de wo horo nchase mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse akira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Womunioma no ubenya biato wakuma setakra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ 242 771 650 ana 0247 576 643
Medofo nanzo mudin ni body say
eye JA Binding and Call Limited
ja me dru ho sesia Hello.
Wofa, Mekot Health College, Auma Miko Yenti, and me a medicine counter assistant, many a GE.
Ampo, so pesa we medicine counter assistant dear. And ya na Mekot Health College, ana obeko, we medicine counter assistant certificate program. Ya reschooling suma 1 year we MCA. Nanso ni pharmacy council certificate. Na dia ma wonder so ne say, pharmacy council Ghana agye 1 year tum. Na ya ma free IT training so eka ho. Admission gusu a ekoso. Ya ntima ansenka forms. Ya wo 2 campuses. Aguna Swedro, ya wo da kwan so. Kaswan so, ya wo Congo Villa, e wo New Market bodua se kwan so. Ubenya forms ni bi e wo campus mienu yi nyina. Anase Mekot pharmacy shops ahodo e wo Ghana fanan ba bia. Ni ye 2 campuses ni nyina nso e wo hostel wo ho. Enti uni ha ukra. Na se wo pe enrupa nso dia. Ene na ko Mekot pharmacy e ho na ubenya nupa. Ghana ene amono ne de. Frɛ 0592 522 111 ana 0244 640975. Mekot Health College, you say health knowledge is life's wealth.
Ago Odane important way. Munya so na me won sempe bi de mamo. 2A baby diapers na munim eto de bom mano. Say die yasesa ne din abeye next baby diapers. Na wonim yasa hyemu kena ama ekọ nanim jie. Esan cotton dodo ade awramu nti no. O the next baby diapers ebo wo ba. Ojo so sign to home for. Ensanse bia entingu ne to ho. Won sum fan hawo. Oba ne yeso comfortable. Etuko chroma sensuo. Cotton next baby diapers. Fabe boba no. Na no ho beto ni say form. Obenya next baby diapers. Ewo be bia. Opedodo afre 0500285000. Na monsha nensuo. Ema mubu monsanso. Ye wo next sanitary pad. Ede mamo. Next baby diapers. Ema mo fra hot so mo. FDA. Afitwe sa edwedin krato imo. Ajia to mu say eje.
I can't watch me fail. So anytime you pray,
Yewo Adum Sewa Kitchen. Say bia wo ye event bi na openuane a ye abrofo de sanso na Ghana nuane. Ni na no ye enya no nko a. Say bia wo ye event na open nkrofo a ombe plan event no ede ama wo. Yewo Adum Sewa event planning a ye betena se na ya ye ho hyehye kama ede ama wo. Enya no nko a. Wo ye printing, photocopy, ICT training, e pacho book bi na wa ye. Na opese book no ye cover akire ede ma wa. Poster bi na opese wo ye. Instant passport. Ni na no ye online registration ye betumi ayama wo and many more. O ye birthday now pay photo shoot and I say engagement awade bibia wo ye bia ayi no video ni na edema event bia wo ye bia SCDJ group of companies and ye betumi ay ye sign so our sound system a edidi dwumadie bia SCDJ group of companies ye wo aboabo bompaye ubetumi afra ye 0241 298773 and I say 0256587895 SCDJ group of companies. Yabamobia.
Tontonte yenom nsane efadwen ne efadwen ampa say na nanu nim se brebi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye adru tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene asina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho denden tontina 74 yinso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ya wabra mennom T74 samennom tonti na 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ne apomuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana baby to nro bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wafa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufuo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and a 0246-073-498 FDA agi edwedie nkratoi atom.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
star love it. Can't start love it. A man of power, one text you and a jupia. Oh yeah, boy. And that day for me home back kumpo. And for me home back to say po. A me ba on for and a jupia. Me day. And that day for me home back kumpo. Bingu oh binkika. Mim brown oh be magic. Bingu oh binkika. Mim brown oh be magic. Bingu oh binkika. Mim brown oh be magic. Bingu oh binkika.
So my him I will media. Now how much you would do to me so. On a board in a mebia. It can't so mommy song. You know be care can me back home. It can't so mama go down. They draw me against back home.
Can't chase my life. Ever since she came out, I never felt this way before. Yeah, I'm looking for a body, baby. See, baby, I can hold you. I keep your heart, girl. I never let you go. Come on, oh, bye, baby, yeah. Oh, bye, baby, yeah. I never think that I could fall in love like this again. Yeah. Oh, bye, baby, yeah. Bye, baby, oh.
What else? I'm gonna be bumping it. I can see my shorty from the driveway. Up I'm independent, so what can I say? Anything we do our way. How many times with a kiss? All day. When I jam in the foot like a shize. Me when I me put do a baby. Or coming home from nothing up to the payday. Couldn't do the JJC. Girl, me a one drop kiss. Can you give it to me like this? Yeah, push up in, I forget the prices. So we tell me how come you than the ISIS. No matter what put me down and so be a crisis. But me feeling when you wanna do the right thing. Make I put a ring on it and me forget to strike it. Big cars, more money, come sugar my thing. Listen to the song I sing, but they be pumping.
Oh, bye, baby, oh. I never think that I could fall in love like this again. Oh, bye, baby, yeah. Somebody call the popo. Me winning lotto. Say me I don't know. Me yana Miami don't know. Call the popo. Me winning lotto. Say me I don't know. Me yana Miami don't know. Baby you be miracle. You give me loving way I never know. My baby you be wonderful. You give me loving way I never know. My baby you be miracle. You give me loving way I never know. Baby you be wonderful. You give me loving way I never know. My God, girl your love is spiritual. Oh my God, oh, girl your love baby. Oh my God, girl your love is spiritual. Oh my God, oh, girl your love baby. I want to shower you kisses to lean over you. And when you give me a chance to love you, I will overdo. We'll be the ex, you'll be the girlfriend. Girl, I wanna be your boyfriend. Can we go spend this weekend? Take a choice and watch me spend. We'll be the ex, you'll be the girlfriend. Girl, I wanna be your boyfriend. Can we go spend this weekend? Take a choice and watch me spend. Hey, ain't see me need. I love you more than you head, 'cause my head broke. Baby, do him some favor. I feel so down, see fame, man. Said out there, I jam in your man, show me him do stuff if I'm home. I do how they maybe I didn't know some kind of a film. Yeah, you're too sexy, you're too bad, you're too naughty. Oh, I got to stop Pepsi. Me to talk so much about it, what you know. Me did it sell me a moment. Me to talk so much about Fiona. Me did it send to go and see if it's a be a hobby. Georgia Muja, so simple the couch and the bottom of the hobby. Georgia Muja, so simple to be mistress, maybe a hobby. Georgia Muja, so simple to be Mr. Maybe a hobby. Georgia Muja. When him say she
When you want me, I just flew from Miami. Right, so I see DJ group of companies, several Bobo, Bedidi. I don't say what kitchens or watch my Bobo Bompahaya under SC DJ group of companies. The patrol or more Adum Arakwa Secretariat Service, Adum Les, Adum Sawa Sounds, and Adum Sawa Event Planning. Wait me from 0555 052 464 0555 052 464 OVI Electronics, the TV fridge, deep freezer, gas cooker, blender, washing machine at affordable price. Banana pay bit offer 0550 600 0550 600. Amaje ba clinic na also ba wayaresa no obetu ase because obi age tum say hoya wayaresa efie. Enti brashisia na be sa ya ho yare anase be pe ayaresa ma ho. Enti infertility no, typhoid no, ulcer no, syphilis no, gonorrhea no, otu ase simple cra e wona so ye afen so pese ya feel me kire ye miamia physiotherapy na yare nkitinkitin ngasa enda ne ho adi na yamma we drop potia wo de be kana ho atọ de a e amaje ba clinic e na me recommend de ma no pay a me pa cho wodofo bi wunua bi ho ni pe bi wankasa e na ho dodo a me pa cho men ko be bi nko tusikangu na ye kire no ho sanso nto ko amaje no pay a na yensa yare na yare bia Pakoma so ya no pesi say nyansa yare fresh 0244877840 and 0205045665. Amaje says so yare na no ding. Na won't me ma we dey just give them a call. Frɛ won kake. Wo mo beba na ma be sort out. Now, on said they be a bet now, me catch you say ya real boy on. Not just say immune system on what the enemy are holding. So, what the enemy weaker? And then my real home quine man, bet now, and I bet now. And they say, oh, per se, when you're holding immune system on a stronger there. I recommend to you Dominion Herbal Powder. Dominion Herbal Powder is your number one immune booster for your general well-being. A dro tatashe, a mawa pomodin mapa, Amaya Arabia away. Now, when you say Dominion, it does not just boost your immune system. Na emom esabwa woma sabio chronic disease kwankwa yare ewo womso afi wonso high blood pressure meche BP ewo woso diabetes esitwe yare a house stroke unye bi odofo bi o papa bi o mama bi stroke aya kana to dem ma mepa cho Dominion Herbal Powder ni bi mano na no pa on fengu nso hiemu onom no bobo bia fine onso anwumre wuntumi nda insomnia mepa cho enye se washada na wonder there be woni kumpa but enda no emba sleep no dey come mepa cho eti all chronic diseases and we compare Dominion Herbal Center for Mundro FM Dominion Herbal Powder na wa pebi na bobo bi come up mepa cho tie ni pa 18 but what pa ewo konko mu powder enegu konko ni mu na nti dia se na obe ni onu wan so hia na wasa eti na wabo ansana wape bibie di enwumre so koda na wape bi abosa eti pepa cho se utie manope ya available our pharmacies, chemical and also all herbal shops. For bulk purchase, ubetimi Afre Angels Dominion Herbal Center Limited. It was 0543158195 0543158195 and now by Chimoda Hanuman Nanaya Provision Store. Nanaya Provision Store at Chim Oda Mepacho friend 0246 528 0246 288181 0265 288181 0265 288181 I'm in trouble. I'm in 0265 288181 a face or call Chumesi drugstore na face so Kedi drugstore. Ho nyina obenye bi kede for mutie me monko Harvey Pearl Pharmacy. Agona so edru e call nyame tiase ewa center. Challenge so said Dominion ewa powder it's not recommended for persons below the age of 12 years and also pregnant women and lactating mothers. Dominion ewa center. Omusi omundro no tatashe. In fact, magia too. Makacho say omoba hanom last week no. Me pebi koma me grandma. And you know me grandma dey dance here. Last week so me catch us wow ni me grandma bia be hu se ma me na nyipa ba no ho den me kan bibia. No ho den style bia bi. Dominion eba powder for Adaroma. And then me grandma why it say 32 years. And then no she skinny trap bi pan na dey anko for ye ne se me chama ziegu. Now you need counselor be din come on. Right? If you're calling the counselor din come here on 93.3 FM. Counselor Edwin here on counselor's column. I can't show any topic for discussion. So stay tuned here for producers connecting now for you din come here on 93.3.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
So DJ Shawo on the one and Fuse. Exactly 30 minutes after 11. We'll go on the line and speak to Councillor Edwin Boahen. Makajo say and the topic for discussion. We are looking at the battle for child custody. And the question is, who is to keep the child or children when divorce or separation occurs? So we are playing Nigerian song. You can say Nigerian can say, who is to keep the child or children when divorce or separation occurs? Where Nigeria for bro? Councillor Kwaba.
Kwabna, Obiade.
Bibia boko de.
Ya mi adum bia boko na won so e.
Yakopan do mi ho den sa shawo fo mpa bibia hyehyɛ yi pa. That's like that. Yeah, sure they say. Topic me ankasa my interest day inside.
Yes.
Yes, and you know, you were sharing from the counselor's point of view. Say our ana say our the gua. Separation in the me hunsa na me kan wotwi mu, but ebi wa engu ye, but I say konkon ho kakra.
Yes.
Nti ye hwese say bibi say si oni oba atna ma ware ma wo, but mo ntimi anto aso bio. Nkwala nsu wom. Sisi an ye hwese nka no ne papa mu a hwan na wo say oni nkwala ntra. E wo say ye obi a sebi o ni nsem e wo bi between mama ne papa no. The nsem wo bi e na wo say oni abofra ne kwatena. Ana say ne o wotema e na wo say oni abofra ne kwatena. Ana say ye hwemu a de akla ne dono no e na wo say oni ne kwatena. Nti ne nkoma ye di ni.
Ramada say ma menchia etie for na de bia ma hyebo a ese kwa de mi hu de menka bio. but if it is saying I will definitely come around. Yes. Now I mean here I can say first lady. Now mamia fiance mamma mentia ke se komano. Na mamma nursing so enim say me the mercy mo but all the same tenenya me penena ono ebasa. Good. This topic here where I don't know say enye ebia wa and I wouldn't talk on radio. Most of these things buy an bibia na time na nkofu edi hu nkomo na ye very detailed than what ebia the American wants them ene. Yes, kwabra nka edenti na say man basa ya ware emofra bem adenti na say ye hwe anase ye ma bibisa accuracy na ya de nkwala no ato go premos ato premo. I don't know how to put it. Yes, but that is how nature has created man. And you be a said one never won and maybe a Bokoswan and Atna. It was along the line and a course into Seneokayano. Nishimuno and in Ayebeshe. In the first place, you heard the welfare of the child. It is a case you share Abufrani Yum and Anishimua. Why the what to me and now why the what say or yes, man. But mamma a for NTS at you. Emma menem tadi, a brainy na say, the one your bow and now one in the woba. Nase Abofrano any 7 years. To me enteno. But meaning what to be there.
Metepa say yes, I just say when you're in fear soon near the answer.
Good. Me pacho. I stand to be corrected, and I want somebody to also come on board. It's an snappy. Now, Obi war rebuttal bia. Now, you open the lines for somebody to also come in and rebut what I'm saying. In Jamaica, it is only a convention. A convention. It is not in our constitution. That convention, me who the way I'm coming to the main can is because I spoke to. Only way, mommy, I spoke to my lawyer friend, and I'll catch him. It is never here or there. A war, the Constitution of Ghana, and I say, and we say, Abufrani, this 7 years, and son, I want to be Abefano. Because now, this 4, no, this 3. Now, who can was me money in chain, money this 7 years. A son of a nice Mokachana. It is Ghana it is never 7 years. It is never a year 14 years and yes 7 years. Age line be and down. And it didn't make a say Abufrani Shimunu any ya. Abufrano ain't Shimunu any ya. You can't tell me, sir, why am a bonnet? Sabi, what from a child at the bonnet? Now we are what from a ma. At the Omakotna won't change. Say, Menuwe Jawari. Now, Kwabna, Papa Bem, Pani or Dopen, Papa Pa, now bit to me, and a sam of Franatna. And he said, no, me basa, me person, me bedroom of Frana. Now I catch him, say, yes, some of Franny, this 7 years. It is never like that. And this how baby are. Anything I make, I say, Abo Franny, show any here. It is a someone, anything divorce, no, a court, they give you time. Almost a court Ebeka trying to solve the problem. Mame one papa sema abano. Momo modiana mu knase na mu ankasa mu because of emofraninti. God to give you that opportunity. Yes, our court simple nobody will tell you that easy. Obema with the opportunity. Monko knase na munya montutu nyoma monhwe nyoma ba ku mielu bi ansa na mu bejaya amajai. You know, they will give, it is because of the children. And no more yes, because what even find is very difficult. Say, or the aboframa mame, and now or the aboframa papa. Abra, Commerce and Alkan, Omunaya responsible. Sabe, Obaka Krawan is them, Bemaka Krawan is them. And into who are we giving the children to? And from swear by, in free Oba, but Oba to a Jawari, and from swear a free Eba and in free Bema. In this case, who are we giving the children to? These innocent children, it is not just by chance. nyame na de akyemo na se momo se mo mare biwa who ahemfa na sa mo fra we zi omonko A and omonko B. That is the problem. And when the court A determine cases like this, or share some of these things, who is more concerned about the child? Who is more concerned about the child? And when I'm saying who is more concerned about the child, sometimes I thought that even in some year can you share na kuma onu yo nya yanka yantua wale no so. This is what court does, and as you can't some nimpoa, then your court impoa, you shed your nyaya enka, the dear income, nanka yemna back. Now, what I'm trying to say is, and the person may come at you for tea, and every say, and I no pay the now, say, our any bar, our guy any bar, that's to be a corny way, sir. And thereby, most of the time, no, the anam court at ma menom edi kind a handle mofrano is because o can say this here. Ye kase ma say they are almost mofra. They are naturally gifted. And no kwabena obiani omonkum. That is number one. Niente dodo na eta ma mofrano eta kodi omoma me hono. It is because of that. And ma any nim e mofra ehwe. That is the point. Nobody can change it. They are blessed with it. Nyamine this idea na achewo omudi ehirawo. Se bu se be maybe ye burusu a wasunya no ye burusu. Sene I taka say what men can do men can be. E ba na emofra hwemu a. And intina most of the day the kaneno na say ma enwojare mu nko school omudi omu hwefi. This is what they have been born with. Obian to me is something in free of more. Bema would any said Tidom Nakopesi Cabrefi, Tidom Nakopegi Anebra, Tidom Copebi, now Fabesha Busiano, Bema was to the enemy, and the Bema and Yamu Diane say, Emofra, Una Besha Mofra. And Nuntina, the court of the jurisdiction, no, and now say, Tempelfum Pushia near Cancer Mona. In the first place, Nana say, eminently no omuma ma ameno the opportunity say now as someone aba but this is what you are born with when you were said here this is what you were doing and the enkopem say e beka asem na wie continue what you are doing because I mean what ma dey make na say
Matthias I'm following
what you say asem no ye together na wona na wo ye sa said here no even though na me boa o kaka na wona the customer friend who is the friend who now you were the one taking about 100 and I say 90% of it. Maybe na me dey kakre bi. Send me so me kwa na me di biaba. Sa na wo so de ne no. It is a someone for fra. We give you the opportunity to continue. Send mo fra no enya basa. Send mo fra no enyo maybe en touch mark. And that is why we give you the opportunity to continue watching and are looking after the children. Ekopem say Yebeka asem no finally awie. And until then no, una we the custodian, una wo hwe mofra no. And until I read the fact that at the end of Benito he or she will keep on continuing to do that forever. Debbie and Tessa. Now Kablanenti Omoka say 7 years, no, the amount up to 7 years, Senebe up. Come now by 7 years, Abofran obetumi adware nachi. Obetumi adware na now. Sebi utim kun crazy woman obetumi sebi atinku na sra enye that perfect but said kwabna the most important thing is that Abofran no fi eye me ya obetumi a kire ze da me fi ye me ya. Say Abofran ti pai na obetumi aka kire ze ma me ti ye me ya. I said bibisa e koso at age 7 no he or she is grown enough. Say a common put in our between say a common debit. No, the maturity stage. At 7 years is always a perfect number. And a perfect number. And at age 7, no, the child is given the put. And I said, obet me identify so many things that the ayabo fra obet me aka. And I say after 7 years, no, they know my many Papa, you can go in for the child. But we are waiting for 7 years and say no. Say ya tnafe ne ye kan semono. Na semono ye hwe bebia emofra ne hwe ye mu no. Ebe boa omo a return to give it to that person. But now have many instances are yes emofra ne punya 3 years. But oba ban so on review. There was no way that they abofra no ban. Yet the man papa say uncle nema. Just because the court needs to say papa ni mum and the between ahwe mofra no. And I have had instances so papa no so jai. Yet the mofra no so ma eye maame no. Just because if you listen maame no can also watch and answer between ahwe mofra ni yi. It is your question where the cinema can and as the cinema would two gun. Yes, you need time be say I was say after 7 years and son of them man between me fab of Frana Koheno, a new baby and I challenge anybody who wants to come on board. Say it is just a convention. It has never been passed into law. There were conventions and there were and Yoma Bibria, Ghana and Asamaya, if you go to police station right now, they should give you the exact idea. It was 7 years and Sana Frana do. It is just a convention. They are now trying to pass it into law. It is never here or there. Because so much time you may make one seven now. If you are not a fault or banning a so on review. Now, at the end, if you are not banning or time be ma a papa. But me transcend it. Sadiano Ako Mofrano. So, yes, I am Mofrano, like it will affect them negatively until we don't give out those chances easily. But yeah, in San American, yeah, papa, yeah, mameno, you to me, Mofrapa, you know, yeah, mameno. And most of the time, no, you find out, say, mameno and a handle on palam. And what I was saying is, it depends on the decisioner, say, a CFO and a mameno papanishia, not say a court, and I send penny for car, whatever, a bet transfer. I ombejia tunu ene ma emofra no kodi say papa no anana man but emre bi ani wo say yes maame no ana say papa no na say keep him front to this time no it is never like that
right
now
yes don't you think say about sana the other one also be can say we two questions na me busa other one oba no be can say no I won't allow my kids to be raised by a different woman me cry.
Okay.
Now, Bema no so beka say me pese me gin kwala no eba na okra no ehwe because you would also use the kids as a ticket to demand so much.
Okay.
So in this case, you know, what should we do?
Good. Kobra, yes. What's one nice scenario? We say on ma kwan ma eye ne kra no enhwe ne ba e ma na bro no tiase. It is a fine case. Anyway, court of jurisdiction, no, there's no way of Bema or find the Bema from Franico because so no tears here. Udi, I will see. Udi, one also a Jawariako, whatever. Don't forget, say, your a year necrano and Yenny Muja and Mufrani Yenny Muja into one papano and Temuasem and no say, or no dear, oh, my pine and ma the bar and co Sebi Necraho. Na said one washem abro no tiase what that year obetumi show me any day on one kasabe handles that issue and in such cases it is very difficult to say den kwala no be ma papa no matter what it is very difficult to say den kwala no ebe ma papa no say na can anything you do sometimes dear e ho na make say kwabna ye hwa na e ka say okay after 7 years the child has been with you for 7 years. 7 years, you can then hand over. No, so on papa for the next 7 years. Next, of course, 14. Next, I quite say up and down. So that's it. But so Baneka say, me ma point, Emma unfa abufrano, enkoma ayemekra. Yes, most of the time, no, I need to be a kamasa mad. And most of this time, no, I am come, but I am be bring some man be bring. I am more penoma be bring because here I was a share Abufrano, definitely Abufrano. So, to me, I said, you have on the Panensa. So I say, but Senator can a Mufrani shame. It can be said, then now can court and look at your current situation, Adwuma way, Adadia. All these things, the court to share, not a store, and I say, and Penfold, not normal, can almost a Sadia way. Ebia, about you get in here, did you out to coin? Untnafa, Union one daddy. Now, what catch the court and ask them Penfold say, because Mekra and a measurement, Chinchinachi and measure home, there be Kabayan side. So, we knew what that year said, Berman say, or your Mokon, who bring at the time, the capacity, say a year. bibia wo betumi di ahye mmofra no na mo de unni wo adage but when I wo mmofra no na mmofra no hwe ye mu no because kwabna bibi sisi a ye bobo papa ni bi abata mmofra no enye we ba ne nam ho enye we ba na akoye say yes and if court ni hu ananse penifo betena say aka asem ni hu say sanyoma we ni na e be favor be man than oba na yes omo betumi agye abofra no ama be man obetumi agye abofra no aba with the self explanation say una wo oba mmofra na nti o makwan ka bia ni nti because one kasa mu no e bia kwabna not even say woni hu ada ya na say akwantu anazi in fact the kind of e bia abrabo a wo kwabna so nim say abrabo a sabi yenwanu ma ni bi ana yenwanu mema ni bi wo it can also be a bit negative influence say kwabna to me kan jam say sabi me na me wo mo fra nti no my nsadwiam me konom sabefie na the way am more treating kwalan even though they are my own children. Now you tell me say court will say that because una wo mo fra no now the mo fasta enye mo friend na because whatever you are doing they are taking it from there. It is a bare money to mean evidences to some of these things. Now your court no can want someone. They will say that no, the emotional and the psychological trauma now the mo fra ni fam no e mo mo fra ni we won't allow you, even though I am Mofrano, but but we will give the children to the father. Oh, no, I already say yes, or Bema Mofrana Fatman. So, there are two sides of the coin.
Now, Sisi, I'm say you. Say all my coin man ni step sorry ni kra enhwe nkwala na dia ebi musu timi use nkwala na woman change they will use nkwala as a ticket now mo demand so much ebia ne fia na ya they say ya in this case you know don't think say the cost should be fair enough na nka say okay because of ebia oba no nya financially stable and Bemano is well to do than you. It you know we don't want you to be stressing them. Maybe on fine on the way, but you going on or moving on with a different woman or any headache. It's about can be also to stress you. And what they will do is to use the case as ticket to just destroy your life or just torment you. So what are the things that the cost should be fair enough? And because okay, so in this case, in as much as one person will be raised by a different woman. This is our opinion. We want you to give the case to the dad. You won't be demanding any day, anytime.
Good. It is a work and I say still more fun one wa na me kan no and no busa 2 cities the 2 cities me ba na wo de aduane ama mo fana you can't tell me say mo ba fana this can ba nti mo nko ma aduane ni nti mo nko ma nyini ana me boa
okay
yes at the end of the day no be this aduane ni bi senya wo so wuli wankasa obotom sika de aduane ma wo ma ana wa ho na mo fana bi that is it but sena wo kan it is perfectly right say e bedu baby no obey use mo fana as yardstick. Demands. And then I just say yes. Then the court will look at all these things, and I'm penny for better to say I can't. Say in order to avoid and then maybe or Chinankola school fees or China say if the I didn't make us the capacity in the community capacity now, it is a whole lot, a whole on its own. Say yes, do you have the capacity, the financial capacity? The emotional capacity, the psychological capacity, the capacity ni na ye kan na abom ni ahwe se ampa wo san ho den na wo ba no obetumi di ahwe mo fra no se wo ni dia na se brema ni e wo that capacity then it is better of say the mo fra no be ma papa no ni na make an se ne be ye mo fra ni ye yo se mo fra ni enyi no mo yenyi fa ma me ni ye bodi e be bodi aka ho se be okra na nya ne ma no no matter what. Intimi ye yomu and a yeshe. The command of Bane wa Genepa, Nasa Muframina. Say, Opeso show no show ye. Dia, Berman Kawi safe, Kawi sound, and the only problem. But so Shana or the Mufranaba be disturbua. Then it is better. So obey the Obetia Bia at the Adam Mufrano and your Makotana. Because a bay headache, day in, day out, she will become a thorn in your flesh. Abra de enkwalano ne kwan bi obefa so de benyan through the mufra. It is one she no one handle Sadia no anye abofrana amma wo nchen because yes, you will be making a big mistake. The woman says Sadia na shasie no the mofrana abofrana yes Sadia na di abofrana yes Sadia na de bia and abofrana de bia abofrana. It is better you sit her down. I will course and ask them and tell the whole society is there, please, say there, to avoid some of these things because maybe I started and the woody crowunya, but Sabofrano on China, Ubehuka Odin Befaso. But so no frel say and Muniska and Sabofrani any dubedia. It becomes more or less a problem. And it's about one Chandia, you know how a crab Befasoa or the Beshoba. And I think it will be best because then I make a instances. Many of Westia, can I say, courts, all some of these things have come up. And this annual way to and then we saw no. Then it is better, Abofrana court never find change. Because at the end of the day, the court make us a more friendship, or they are not but what pair on also your fine. On also, and we wouldn't give you the chance just because they want to say, no. It is a question here, and I say, sir, a year out there, baby, it is perfect. And if a family to me apply, say, Mufrano, Emra, or Monchain, in order to avoid Ochina Hey, Anna, and David, and idea. But some many some would be not on far, no, how not to make me show me, dear. Cobra, also I said, yes, oh, yeah, a Mamufrano, oh, yeah, dear, Cobra is sick, because a Coba San Crana, Cobra, that it will be a Covaria, oh, yeah, then Cobra Barber show. And it is a woman. And it's sanity. Good.
Right. I think I did 2 points in the 2 sides in the auntie. Yeah, but yes, you best all the number to be enough young property.
Okay, and she said, Obi issues like this, now say, or per se. Now, some of these issues are so normal, like you're solving it so easy. And man, no headache. Even a man, some most our problems will be. It shouldn't be a headache. Just call the number 0246 272 390 0246 272 390. Now you need come on and to us to it shouldn't be a headache. And my friend, I mean the best that we are expecting the children to live, and if you ain't to no, we just want the best for our kids. And the governor,
right, I know pay so yeah, but that's a pound for your contribution. BBNA, you sound so about champion.
Okay,
right, yes, okay. So that is councillor in the boy here, and I yet in Ghana. If I tell you, what church will come upon. And so I spoke to one person from social welfare. Or I just say, when you're 7 years, it is never in our law. According to 7 years and son, there we. But send a counselor at church, I see in out here. So, Clanonia 7 now, won't mean saying what they say, unless or not with my son, your money. And I announce a Remy Anna's birthday. Any pay who and him. Oh, birthday, you better celebrate. What would you here? Okay, so 93.3 FM. A few minutes, I think just about 3 minutes to leave.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.